Whatever this is, I like it. Oo. Pero I can't place it. Ang pinaka na-describe ko na is ito. Monster RX 93.1, and okay, we've got our top 10 for today.
We do.
With the gorgeous Agot Isidro. The gorgeous. The ridiculously gorgeous.
Ridiculously
Because it's like...
So you have to say it's gorgeous.
gorgeous.
With a little lisp at the very end.
And I cannot like... Para ka talagang nag-jump ng from the 90s to 2016 na
Wala lang
untouched.
Parang na-cry.
Okay, so
Oh,
we've
also,
got,
sorry.
Yes, go.
We're on Facebook Live, so that's facebook.com/archive. If you want to check it out, cameras floating over
Hello,
there.
morning buddy.
What's up?
He does this ridiculous morning bunny thing, which is
Ano yung morning body?
I didn't
see.
we run a kindergarten kasi. Outside of the fact that we have a morning show, we have a kindergarten.
FYI, we are very immature.
Yeah, to say the least.
To say the very least. Okay, so we've got our top 10 for today, courtesy of I am Alex E. Thank you very much. And thank you for making us trend number 4 in the Philippines.
Thank you!
Thank you. Alright, so...
Si Lilo Boy to say,
Sige.
sobrang natawa ako sa Hugot Isidro.
Diba?
Patrend na daw yan.
Ano, right? Naka-hashtag na nga yung Hugot Isidro.
Hugot Isidro. Pwede yan, ha? Parang yung mga ano, yung
Kasi
mga...
lahat ng kanta ko nakakaano eh. Yung last puso.
Yeah.
Okay. Yun. Daming hugot.
What it?
Ano?
Malamang na sa akin pa yun. I have your CD, do you know that?
Really?
Yes.
Relic na yun.
I have it. I really, hindi kasi super, and I'm not saying this because you're here,
Yeah.
pero super favorite ko talaga yung everyday.
Yeah.
And it's really like in my iPod.
Was it an everyday song for you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hugot Isidro
Hugot
sa akin.
Isidro. Hugot Isidro ka eh.
Alam mo, magiging verb ka na rin. You know, like stress drill, Hugot Isidro. Ano ba yung mga ano natin? Yung mga gano'n natin.
Magina Jackson. Magina Jackson.
Afraid
Aguilar, yeah.
Afraid of Cougar.
Afraid of
Cougar. Hagar the Versos.
Hagar the Versos.
Ah,
Favorite ko yung Hagar the Versos. Okay, so we've got our top 10. Paano papansin kay crush? And you were saying na sa ganda mong yan, kinailangan mo pang magpapansin sa crush mo before?
Medyo. Pero yung papansin ko, hindi ko siya papansinin. So parang...
Yun ang papansin mo.
So counter pansin.
Yeah.
Counter papansin.
Counter mo. Parang ano yun? Reverse psychology. Dapat hindi ka masyado mukhang hot na hot. Parang pake. Parang, you there? Okay.
Pero feeling ko it'll only work if you're prettier. Kasi parang kung hindi, wala ka pa sa'yo. Diba, kung hindi ka naman juicy, parang lahat na tao parang, okay lang.
Just say juicy.
Yeah, I did.
Oo.
I did. Sometimes I question my sexuality.
Hindi kasi diba, sa totoo lang if you're not pretty, pag hindi ka naman sen, they'd be like, ay, good.
Hindi wala na ang problema.
Sorry, okay, mali.
Hugot kaya siya hugot. Alright, so, let's start off with meow, meow, meow. Paano papansin kay crush? Lumapit ka sa kanya, tapos sampalin mo, tapos sabunutan mo, tapos i-hug mo siya and say, stop hurting yourself.
Baliw! Baliw na yung peg!
Diba?
Crazy.
Stop hurting yourself. What are you doing?
Seryoso yun? Okay.
Ano
Warm up pa lang yun siya.
FYI, hindi rin matitinong tao yung mga
nakikinig. Actually, yeah.
So do not expect logical entry.
The people who listen to your show reflect the people who actually do the show.
Okay. So match.
Yeah.
Yuri Madrid says, paano papansin kay crush? Add her to your in a relationship status on Facebook. Tapos pag pinansin ka niya, na parang, why am I in a relationship with you? You go, joke.
Not joke.
At least napansin ka na niya.
Oh my gosh, Lels.
Are you active?
I love Lels.
Are you active on like social media?
Yeah, I have an Instagram account and a Twitter.
How, on a level of
1 to 10.
1 to Taylor Swift, how active are you?
Oh my God, nasa ano lang ako, 5.
Really?
Oo.
Hindi kasi diba sometimes once you start, medyo nakaka-addict.
Oo, well, depends. Depends. Kung gusto mo talagang you put yourself out there, then
What
that's
more
you,
though?
I'm not.
What more of it? Is it Instagram or
Instagram.
Or,
Ang Twitter ko kasi, I deactivated my Twitter a while ago. Tapos meron pala silang, if you don't activate it for 1 month, it's gone forever.
Really?
Oh.
Yes!
Oh, wow.
So I had mga like 600,000 followers
Yeah.
already. Tapos nung binalikan ko, wala
Wala na.
On Facebook
Oh.
ba, are you the type na pag Facebook, you let like fans? Or kailangan talagang yung kilala mo lang?
Actually, yung Facebook ko is under a different name.
Super, just family and friends?
Yes, family and friends. I think I have like 300.
Oh, wow.
So you can like
Yeah.
really keep track of your
Yeah, and then I really, dun nilalabas ko lahat ng
Like the personal stuff
angst,
that, yeah,
faults,
no.
everyone.
The things you
I
really
really
do.
miss the friends.
Okay, and then next, coming from Woulda, Shoulda, Coulda, or according to Gino, Woulda, Shoulda, Coulda.
Because the way it's spelled has an A.
Wala.
Paano papansin kay crush? Know his favorite food. Kunyari, adobo. Magpaahid ka ng adobo sauce behind your ear,
Oh my God.
sa may neck, sa armpits, yun.
Tapos, you reek of adobo.
Tsaka hindi lang yung crush mo, ano yun, aso,
Pero parang alam mo yung medyo nagugutom siya kung nakikita ko na.
Ay, pero parang okay.
Hindi, di ba? Tapos yung parang, okay ang amoy nito. Jerbear says, paano papansin kay crush? Pag nakasabay si crush sa elevator, magtanggal ka ng shirt, mag-flex ka ng muscles, tapos mag-shadow box.
Loser.
Parang-
Sorry, but that's such a loser.
Para lang makita niya na parang, look at me, I'm so athletic.
Ah, diba? No, I'm so batak.
I'm so macho.
You just came from the gym, actually. You know.
They have a talent for exaggeration, the people who send over
I know.
episodes.
Ayun
And
na,
that's coming from a girl,
Yeah.
that's true. Colleen MYC says, kapag nakita mo siya na online, mag-post ka ng mga cryptic patama tweets.
Actually, ako rin naman may ganyan.
Di ba?
Oo.
Yung parang,
Di ba ginagawa natin lahat?
Parang-
Yan,
Oo.
yan.
Yeah.
tsaka parang sinabi ko bang ikaw yan?
Passive-aggressive.
Diba?
Or-
Yung feelinera, pero
pero
sa kanya talaga.
Parang, ha? No, I just wanted to say it.
Or even for kunwari parang nakita mo online on Facebook, and then you post something that you know they're interested in. Like kunwari parang you know that your crush is super into Game of Thrones, you'll post like a Game of Thrones article.
Yeah.
Para that way they'll like it.
Ayan.
Pero be very subtle ha. Huwag kayong mga tipong,
Nakatag yung pangalan mo.
yung mga tao diyang naka black shirt na may mga stormtrooper, di ba? Yung ni Gino.
Wala akong
Hindi kasi di ba alam mo yung, huwag ka,
Yes.
pag vague ka, make sure it's vague.
Oo.
Kasi sometimes it's too, alam mo yun.
Yeah, it's too much. You can,
Pa-blind item.
you can,
Oo.
you can piece it all together.
Huwag yung mga tipong, yung mga, you know, inimbita mo na nga ng prom, tapos babastusin ka. Ay, parang, hello, I'm sure alam na nila na sila yon, di ba?
Siya na.
Meow 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 says, paano papansin kay crush? Ito super subtle. Magpatattoo ka ng full name niya, kasama yung middle name, sa noo mo. All caps, bold letters, italicized.
Wow.
Sakit na na.
Nakalimutan mo yung underline.
Underline.
Sama mo na rin.
Tsaka masakit sa noo, masakit basta may bone. Sa may bone, di ba?
True,
Yeah.
true.
Anything that's near the bone will hurt. Pag tinattoo, ay,
What? I just laughed.
Umayos
because
ka.
I laughed because I know how it feels.
may bisita tayo.
Tattoo on my shoulder. It
Yes.
hurt because it was near the bone. I don't know what you guys are talking about.
Decente ang bisita
What are
natin.
you
Hindi rin
insinuating?
naman.
Hindi na.
Hindi na naman.
Oo, hindi rin naman.
Kasi agad, FYI, dun sa tropa namin.
Tropa?
Si Gino yung parang bastos.
No, that is not true.
Kami yung
Oo.
wholesome.
It's
Exactly. We're always the ones
See,
bringing the conversation
People
back to where
people
it
are
should
pointing
be.
to the real bastos
Whatever.
person, which is Chico.
Whatever.
Kasi siya yung pumipili ng mga bastos na yun.
Whatever.
Ako nakikisa kayo.
Bastos ba yun, tattoo? Sa
Influencer ka
noo?
lang. Influencer ka lang.
I'm just here.
I consider him as my mentor.
Jeric says, paano papansin kay crush? Tawagin ang pinakamadaldal mong kaibigan. Sabihin mo sa kanila na wag nilang ipagkakalat. Tapos aminin mo na crush mo siya.
You're,
Kasi
Kasi pagkakalat
Yeah,
nila.
you want them to
The more mo sabihin na parang, please, please, huwag mong sasabihin kahit kanito sa ating dalawa lang.
Mas lalo niya sasabihin.
That's their go
Oo.
signal eh. Hindi
Kasi
nila
they know
kaya.
it's juicy, diba?
Oo. Tama naman.
Coach Torres says, sabayan siya sa biyahe. Abutin ang bayad niya, sabay hagod sa kamay niya.
Ay,
Kailangan ma-feel niya ang mali siya through your fingers.
Ano yun?
Hindi diba sa
Yung
JP
may
yung
finger
bayad?
hawak.
Mama.
Oo, diba? Parang,
Ito ba?
oo. Pero may kasamang hagod sa
Oo.
fingers. So.
Malagkit?
I didn't see you over there.
Lagyan mo na ng konting arnibal ng taho para malagkit talaga yun.
exaggeration. You know, it was a good enough entry. It would have been okay.
Bakit ba? Vance Flores says, ito totoo ginagawa ng pinsan niya all the time. Paano papansin kay crush? Basta dumadaan yung crush niya, tatawa yung pinsan ko ng malakas na malakas. Yung biglang,
Tapos nakapatingin.
siyempre mapapatingin, no? Yung parang, kahit isipin niya na, ay, yan yung baliw, laging tumatawa.
Pag dumadaan ako, tumatawa siya.
Tumatawa siya, medyo weirdo. Camilo says, again, very subtle. Paano papansin kay crush? Pagdaan mo sa classroom niya, kahit in the middle of a lecture ng professor, pumasok ka, no sound. Do a lap dance in front of him, and then leave.
That's making mark.
Yeah, right?
Sorry.
Memorable.
Para sa lahat. Hindi naman
Hindi lang yung crush mo,
Hindi
eh.
lang yung crush. Para sa lahat.
Or but that kind of reminds me of, alam mo yung wrong classroom.
Yeah.
You go, and then it's really embarrassing, di ba? You enter the wrong classroom in college and everyone just looks at you na parang, ginagawa mo dito, lost ka dahil, gano'n. Papansin yun, sobra.
Before.
I've never entered the wrong classroom.
What? No, in college that happens, promise.
Ako, it was part of my, of my application period. I was
Oh,
applying for an org,
org.
Yeah.
and then my task was to go inside
Sadya.
a classroom, na hindi ko classroom, with a pencil case.
Okay.
Tapos kunyari barel. Tapos papasok ako, tapos sabi ko,
That's so
Ay,
sad.
hindi pa tapos. Tapos after ko sila, after that, sabihin ko, sa susunod, dapat handa na mga fishballs niyo.
That doesn't even make sense.
It's not supposed to make
It's
sense.
not, yeah. Ang app process.
Alam mo yung application, they'll make you look
Oh.
really crazy.
Yeah.
Or one time, I had to, quote-unquote, hold up a hotdog vendor. Yung si Mamang Hotdog. So,
Ano? Ano yung hotdog mo?
again, dapat meron akong, like, pencil case.
Oo.
Nalapit ako sa kanya, sabi ko,
Pencil case talaga.
Yeah.
Pencil
Bakit
case.
palagi?
hindi, kasi
Because it's full of lead.
Tapos nakanood sila lahat sa window, yung mga members. Tapos lapit ka, no? Tapos sabihin ko, Manong, hold up to. Penging hotdog. Tapos bubulang ko na lang ng Manong babayaran mo. Tsaka sanay na sila eh.
Alam na nila.
Sanay na sila. Manong babalik ko sa inyo. Nanonood sila sa bintana. Ay sila sa likod ko.
Bigay mo na, please, Mano.
Gets mo na tama, no?
Kasi Mano magpe-play along pa. Yung tatas pa niya yung kamay niya.
Aww.
Best actor eh.
Ang galing.
Tapos sabihin niya, ketchup o mustard?
Galing.
Meow Meow says, paano papansin kay crush? Kunyari, photographer ka at kailangan mo ng physique model. Yung mga parang, kailangan mo ng physique model, so kailangan wala masyadong suot.
It's very, it's very... No, okay, admittedly, there was this one time.
Ano?
We were all at the mall, and I think in college or a little after college, and there was a really pretty girl that was walking around. She was by herself. My friends and I decided na parang, let's pretend that we own a talent management agency.
Gosh, actually, maraming ganun yan.
Yeah.
Even during my time.
Really?
Yes.
And then so we came up to her and said na parang, we're part of the talent managing agency, blah blah blah. We'd like to get you as a model, blah blah blah. Of course, sooner or later, we eventually said, like, parang later, the latter part of the conversation, we were like, oh no, we were just kidding. Obviously, we're not gonna.
So what
And then
happened?
she left. And then she left and walked
Yun na
away.
yung kwento mo.
The number eh. di ba?
Yeah, so it's an icebreaker.
Talaga?
Yeah. Although some people can be, they're pretty devious. Like they'll actually push through with it and pretend that they're.
Kasi ako,
Talaga?
ako nagpo-photography talaga ako. Pwede talaga ako mag-invite ng... Pwede. Kaya rin mga...
May props pa yan. Minsan may calling
May calling card pa.
Yeah.
Ako, agency ko, Instagram. Pwede na yun.
Nakakatawa yung interview ni Chris Pratt kay Graham Norton. It's so funny kasi he told the story na when he was still new, he went to like New York or some guy.
Yeah.
He was like, yeah, apparently I need headshots. So sabi daw nung guy, parang, oh really, I'm a photographer. Why don't you come over to my house and
Oh, no.
I'll give you headshots.
Oh, how this is going.
And then he's like, okay, so pagkakit daw niya this room, sabi niya, hey, you know, this guy is really friendly. And then he's like, okay, you know what, you look a little dirty, maybe you should take a shower first. Basta like, nakakatawa yung, like, you should just watch the video. Nakakatawa yung version niya nung...
Of the story.
Oh, tapos sabi ni Graham Norton, the host, so what happened? He goes, yeah, he just took my pictures, gave me copies, and then I left. Tapos sabi ng isang guest, si Jude Loya, because that's the official version.
Because what really happened is something we can't talk about on here.
Pero nakakatawa, kasi nga, it's really a thing that people were like, you know, I'm a photographer, if you want, like, whatever, you know, or a talent agent.
Kawawa.
Woulda, shoulda, coulda says, paano papansin kay crush? Just be yourself. If you're hot. Kung hindi ka hot, try to be somebody.
Try to be someone interesting.
Kung di ka maganda,
Oo.
figure your personality out.
Lock on Strata says, paano papansin kay crush? Bigla kang sumigaw ng snatcher! Ng puso! Magnanakaw! Ng feelings! Mga agaw! Ng atensyon!
Haba na sisigaw
Ang dami
diba?
Nakalis na yung crush niya. Hindi mo siya tapos.
Saka may dramatic pauses.
Oo.
Yun yung mahirap.
May konting feelings dapat. And the top, paano papansin kay crush? Comes from Colleen MYC.
Colleen MYC says,
Paano papansin kay crush? Magpaypay ka ng mga 1,000 peso bills. Tapos sabihin mo, with matching kindat, this can be yours if you can be mine.
Binili.
Binili talaga ng
Literal
crush.
binili.
Cash is always good.
But it has been known to happen.
Cash is always good.
There's a reason
Hindi,
for
like
that.
okay, di ba yung style mo, Argot, is that if meron kang crush, hindi mo papansinin. Pero ano na yung mga moves na ginawa sa'yo? Nung mga ikaw naman ang crush.
Ganon, meron yung mga cast.
Talaga? That's happened to you?
That happened to me.
Then you know better.
I think I got the calling card.
Yeah.
I never gave the number.
Yeah.
Sabi ko lang, yeah.
I'll get it back.
Parang ganon. What else?
Like yung mga school stuff. Yung mga school stuff
Actually, I
pa.
wasn't popular in school.
Really?
Hindi ako papansin.
I
Hindi ako
can
napapansin.
imagine.
Baka hindi ka ba-
I kind of like disappear in the background. Ganon.
Or baka di ka papansin, pero napapansin ka.
Oo nga, bakit?
Ay, ba't hindi ko alam?
Eh baka ano, baka manhid ka.
Baka marami nagpapapansin.
Valuable ako. Kailangan mo sabihin na parang,
Baka
ano, pinapansin kita.
Alam mo baka maraming mahal ka na, hindi mo lang pinapansin.
Hindi ako asyumera eh. Asyumera.
Like pa-dense effect.
Oo, meron akong, what? Actually ako hindi ko alam nililigawan ako. You have to tell me, your feelings. I cannot assume.
My older
Ayoko-
sister's like that.
Ayoko na
Kahit
eh.
sobrang obvious.
Oo.
Parang kami parang, oh my gosh, yun na yun. Parang
Oo.
wala siyang sinasabi.
Oo.
Kailangan mo yan, may affidavit mo.
Kailangan
To let you know.
i-contract.
Dapat ano, dapat notarized.
Authorized na ano.
Yun
Letter
yun.
of intent.
Yung black and white. ganun.
Kasi I'm just thinking, parang sana merong nakikinig na crush ka noon. Tapos sasabihin niya, dati,
Nagpapapansin ako sa'yo, hindi
Hindi ako pinapansin.
I'm sure.
Sorry, manhid lang.
I'm sure someone out there, alam mo yung parang...
would feel like that.
Please manifest yourself.
No?
Tweeting or going on Facebook.
Ay,
Ayan ang papansin.
Ayun, yun.
Ayan ang
Ayun,
papansin.
yun.
Yun ang papansin.
Alright, so...
I don't know what we're gonna do it now.
Ito na ba?
I don't know.
Ay, wait.
Okay.
One final question.
Okay.
Did you ever, in your entire career, whether music or showbiz, did you ever have like a showbiz crush?
Actually, yes. Actually, hindi pa ako showbiz noon. Si Richard Gomez.
Talaga?
Oo, nung time.
But did you eventually end up working with him?
No. But, parang because of Sharon Cuneta, I would see him. Nung di ba nagka-Sharon, for those who were not living in the 90s, Sharon Cuneta and Richard Gomez were an item.
Yes.
Oo, baka hindi nila alam eh. So, noong time na they were hanging out, and nasa friend of Sharon. So, makikita ko siya noon. Pero hindi ko na siya crush noon. So, crush ko siya nung hindi
Before.
pa ako showbiz.
Eh, when you were already in the business.
Yeah.
Did you ever, kasi, hello, showbiz is full of like, sobrang
Ridiculously
good-looking
good-looking
people.
people, yeah.
Parang, never ka ba nagkaroon ng crush? Eh, alam mo yung showbiz crush, yung hindi
Yung
ka naman...
tumitibok yung puso ko pag dumadaan.
Yes.
Wala.
Ay, talaga?
Yeah.
Talaga.
Laging
Or not
non-showbiz.
even like, oh, it's nice to look at. Ganun lang.
Pwede naman. Marami naman silang gano'n.
Pero not crush,
lang.
crush.
Not crush, oo. Yung parang, cute niya.
It's so ironic, no? Nung wala ka sa showbiz, dun ka may crush. Tapos nasa
Kasi
showbiz
nandun
ka
yan.
naman. Or maybe because
Kasi
they...
it becomes, you know, they become real.
Real.
people.
Yeah.
They become real people. So parang hindi na siya yung parang...
Naka-pedestal, hindi na sila, ano.
At saka yung ano, di ba, yung... It's a fantasy, eh.
Oo.
Di ba, when you see them in like news, in like magazines,
Parang
or
they're
on
hard
TV.
to reach. Parang ang layo.
Tapos,
Hindi siya makikita.
pag kunyari, if you're...
Pag nakita lang.
Tsaka pag when you're working with them, di ba?
Yeah, it's
Oo.
kind of
You get to know
weird.
them.
It kind
Minsan,
of weird.
amoy pawis na.
Parang nakakasira naman ang
Hindi ko
image.
naman naamoy surgeon.
Okay, so,
Yeah, it is a plan.
yun yung segue ni Chico. Gusto niya malaman.
Yun yung style niya, baka man.
Ito, here's the thing. Okay, let me just wrap this up.
Wait, can I read one question off of
Oh, sige,
it's a
please.
very serious, pretty deep
Oh my
question.
gosh. Sige.
Coming from Eric Kumbod.
Yes.
Are you a vampire? Kasi wala naman daw, para naman daw walang nagbabago.
Oo nga.
Vampire ba?
Yeah.
Dinuguan. Betamax.
Dinuguan pa rin.
Tsaka Betamax.
What if may modern day vampire na gano'n, na mahilig sa
Oo.
Tagalog, sa Filipino food? Alright.
O sige,
Kailangan nasi-space out ako kasi nasi-stress ako for her.
we have a presentation
I
kasi.
know!
Okay.
Natouch ako when you had to step out and like do your thing.
We want to be perfect.
More out of nahihiya kasi kami.
Nahiya kami.
Oo.
Yeah.
Okay.
At saka alam mo, we try to do our best every day. Every day.
Parang ano yun may mashup ba yung everyday na yun?
Hindi naman. Hindi
From
naman.
ballet to ano?
Pero we will.
Okay, go.
Okay, so let me just wrap this up. We have one final batch of the top 10 Paano Papansin Kay Crush. If you want to join us, tweet us, twitter.com/rx931. Okay, so Agot,
Yeah.
whenever we have like guests, we usually give them like an epic rap.
Epic
Yes.
what?
Wrap off.
We create a rap.
I know that we don't look like, you know,
Yeah, they're
street,
usual
parang
rap.
hindi kami masyadong street credible.
We're
Street credible. But we are, you know, our reputation on the streets, if you go out there and you ask them about us, they won't know us, but like, we're pretty reputable.
Kasi we're more popular sa may in the
She's so confused.
Oh, nga eh.
hindi kasi we're
Kasi
more
you're saying
ano,
one thing and then he's making a face na parang, oh my God, what?
No. Kasi we're not so popular here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Usually in the Compton area. That's where we're talagang
Like, where, what's that?
Rebels.
Straight out of Compton.
Yeah.
That's, we're straight out of the Hamptons.
Kasi alam mo yung word na legit, kami yun eh.
Wait, talaga. Actually, like,
No, basta wala akong sinasabi.
usually yung mga
Sila na.
flip-top hardcore rappers that
Oo.
live out in areas like Tondo, ganyan. Kami sa may 32nd Avenue sa may BG.
Okay.
Doon kami kilala.
Yeah.
Pag dumaan kami doon, parang, yo, that's so legit. It's the three
Yes,
of them.
yes.
Parang walang rapper naman sa BGC.
Kami.
Patago lang.
Oo,
Underground.
sa
Underground kasi kami.
underground.
So sa may basement party
Invite
sa
ka
rin.
namin dito sa mga freestyle.
Tsaka mga gangsta. Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo!
Daming build-up.
Ano ba? Go na?
Let's just-
Ready?
Okay.
Ah!
Alright, here
Okay.
we go.
Yes.
It's the epic wrap-off. The epic wrap-off. CGB. And D is in Fairview. Turn up the mics in here, baby. Extra loud, you'll want to hear this. Turn up the mics in here, baby. Chico, Gino, and V rapping for Agot, and we hope she'll like us after this.
Agot Cedro in the RX booth. Crush ng bayan, found the fountain of youth. Her talent's got you jelly. She loves bangos belly, and with the wrench she's handy. Ain't that dandy?
Meron kaming bisita, mukha siyang prinsesita. Siya ay napakaganda, kahit aling banda. Kapag tumabi kay Agot, nagmumukha kaming magot. Sa piling niya ay langit, nagmumukha kaming pangit. Kapag siya ay ngumiti, kami nakikiliti. A smile so warm and big, ang boys ay kinikilig. Ikaw may lasa lista, o kaya'y atenista. Pagdating sa artista, siya ang aming solsista.
Oo, natawa ako doon.
Alam mo, nag-google talaga ako.
May fagot din.
Meron din. Pero, ayaw ko
Oh my God.
Wow, guys, you surpassed!
Sorry.
The low expectation. The really low expectation. That's why we had to set it up the really low
Oh
point.
my God.
It's funny, guys. It was lang. Actually, kayo. Oh my God, yeah. No one ever rapped for me before.
Nga? Dito lang.
Dito lang. Oo.
Diba?
Wala naman ako masyadong kakilala rapper.
But at least
Thank you.
Now you know a couple of legit rappers.
Yeah. Yeah, too legit.
Tukwet.
Tukwet.
Pabilihan siya.
Ayan.
Oh.
Legit to quit.
You know, I think
So nakakahinga na kayo?
Nakakahinga.
Hinga.
Makaka-relax na kami.
Parang
Oo.
pinapawisan na ako.
Sobra kaming nasa stress. Pero we're just glad that you like it.
Yeah.
I did. Sincerely. Honestly. Ito lang ako sa magod. Ako sa bangus belly.
Oo. Okay,
Alright.
so we will be back.
Yes.
Actually,
We gotta take some.
when we go back and talk to Agot once more, eto na, hindi siya vampira.
Oo,
But
oo.
she will tell us why she looks the way she looks.
Sana pala we could have used Rihanna's Disturbia. Bam bam pira bam
Pwede.
Nakainis.
Okay, well, we gotta take a quick break. That's on the other side.
Ay, sa kabago ka. Bakit?
Nakakatawa kayo.
Kaya kabado sila.
Ayos na!
The key is to sit down. The last exercise was